In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with DeepSeek, best side hustle for beginners. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type DeepSeek and press enter. From the results page, click the official DeepSeek website. If you see a language option, switch it to English to keep everything clear. On the home page, hit Start Now to open the chat interface so you can begin creating. DeepSeek is an AI model similar to tools like ChatGPT or Claude. It's fast, affordable, and great at writing, analyzing, and generating content. That makes it perfect for beginners who want to spin up simple income streams with low startup costs. One of the easiest paths is social media content creation. Businesses constantly need Instagram captions, TikTok or Reels scripts, and LinkedIn posts. You can use DeepSeek to generate these quickly and package them into monthly deliverables clients will happily pay for. Let's start with content ideas. In the chat, paste this prompt. Give me 20 social media content ideas for a fitness coach. The ideas should be short, clear, and focused on attracting beginners who want to lose weight and get healthier. Click Submit and let DeepSeek produce a list. If you need it to match a specific niche or local audience, add details like target age, location, or preferred tone. Next, generate Instagram captions. Write 10 Instagram captions for a fitness coach. Tone, friendly, and motivating. Each caption should include a call to action and 3-5 relevant hashtags. Click Submit. Skim the results, adjust the voice to the client's brand, and make sure the hashtags are relevant to their niche. Small tweaks go a long way toward originality and performance. For short-form video, ask for TikTok or Reels scripts. Create 5 short TikTok/Reels scripts for a fitness coach. Each script should include a strong hook, a simple fitness tip, and a closing call to action. Click Submit. These should be punchy and easy to film. If needed, add video length or on-screen text preferences to refine the outputs. Finally, create LinkedIn posts. Write 5 LinkedIn posts for a professional in the health and fitness industry. Tone, clear, credible, and helpful. Each post should share one insight, one example, and a practical takeaway. Click Submit, then review for clarity and authority. LinkedIn rewards value-driven posts, so keep formatting clean and concise. As you compile results, organize them in a Google Doc or spreadsheet, label by platform and date, and bundle them into a weekly or monthly calendar. This helps you deliver consistent value and sell fixed packages. That's how you turn DeepSeek into a simple, repeatable side hustle.